Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can use touchpad gestures. So we have to open the headphones application from Sony. Right now we have to tap on the right upper corner on the three dots and find our tutorial from Sony headphones. And after a few moments you will get here a very gesture that we can use with the touchpad with our control panel. So as you can see, here it is. We can go for another page. We can use ambient sound by cover one of the control panel. Here we got also operation with the custom button. And at the end you can customize the function button. Just take a look. We will get it in the system. And here we get the custom button, so you can switch to Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant or ambient sound control. And you have to click done. After that you will be disconnected from your headphones. You have to click OK and then try to connect to them. So basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.